This is part 2 of how to prepare for pantry, deep freezer, fridge challenge. So here I was showing what I have, those salad dressing, the water, and those which you can eat for snacks is my favorite, by the way. That is our traditional juice. You add water in it. Another salad dressing. Those are macaroni. Then in that cooler box there is water in it, so I used, when the top one finish, I use the cooler box one. So when this one finish, I come in another storage to pick up the, to refill, in other words. So now I have enough water. I have those noodles, macaroni, and at the back there there's more macaroni. As you can see, I have so many boxes of macaroni, rice, and that another cup there is macaroni in it. Then tomorrow we'll be refilling those empty ones to prepare for that challenge, and another spaghetti. So I'll find a meal for that one. So that cupboard was done. We're gonna go in another one next to it. Those are Bible verse on the door, by the way. Those are spaghetti sauce I will be using, tomato paste, tomato cans, Alfredos, and spices. I'll be using another spice at the bottom, another noodles which is didn't fit in another box you saw beginning. As you can see at the back there's a red cover. There's a lentils in that one. That is another kind of lentils. Behind it there's a white beans and black beans. That is oatmeal I'll be using in pancake. Up there there's noodles I'll be cooking, another lentils, white beans and black beans, lasagna sheets. So this one is done too. Next to it there is a pancake, mixed pancake, which you put milk or put water, and another one there's beans in that cup. Behind it there's another oatmeal bag. So as you can see, some nights I'll be having breakfast nights because I have so many pancake, and I'll be making different pancake, honey, and there's another green lentils, couscous up there. I think there's a beans in that one. I have to refill it. Sugar. So up there there's a cereal and another oatmeal. So some night I'll be doing just breakfast night. So in that light blue packet there's a potato, another one there is onions. Behind there's milk, the one you put in the fridge after you use it, and then coconut oil. So that is enough for a whole month without going for grocery. Dry beans, chickpeas, and then milk spirit, another one, another milk behind there.